Hello children, welcome to Aksharda Public Schools learning platform. I hope you are all doing great at home. Today's topic is curves, worksheet number 5, activities 5, 6, 7 and 8, grade LKG. Kids, in the previous class, we learnt about curves, that is right curve, left curve, upward curve and downward curve. Kids, now let us do the activity by using upward curve. Trace the dotted curve to show the waves as shown here. Children, in the same way, you have to complete this activity. Kids, now we will move to the sixth activity, that is, help the car to reach home. Trace the dotted lines from left to right as shown. Children, in the same way, you have to complete this activity and color the picture. Kids, now we will move to the seventh activity, that is, tracing the left curve. Start from the top and draw toward downwards as shown. Kids, in the same way, you have to complete the right curve. Kids, now we are doing the last activity, that is, identify the letters which are in curve shape and circle it. Children, first let us read the letter A. A and trace on it as shown. Yes, it is in curve shape. Now circle the letter A. Children, let us do one more letter, that is letter K. Trace the letter as shown. Standing line, right slanting line and left slanting line. So, children, letter K is not in a curve shape. Kids, in the same way, you have to complete this activity. Thank you, kids.